Many people are creating AI art with MidJourney and selling it all online on different platforms and earning a passive income just like that. I already made a couple of videos on showcasing the exact process on how you can do this, but I found out a couple of things that I wish I knew before. In this video I will show you the exact images that you should create to be able to sell online, and also a new tool that will bring the amount that you have to work way down. There are a lot of people doing this now and it's hard to get your foot into the door. With the new version of MidJourney V5, you can create images that look so realistic that they can be stock images. And stock images is a market where you can earn a lot of money. I'm on the site from JMO Images. He has an article called Realistic Income from Stock Photography. They did a survey with 149 stock photographers to see what income they receive. You can see 46% make between $0 and $500 per month, 16% makes between $500 and $1,000, and almost 20% makes more than $2,000 per month. So this is really a lot of money that you can passively earn just by creating images on MidJourney and then after selling it online. But how would you go about doing this? So the tool that I wanted to share is Wirestock, and Wirestock is gonna make your life so much easier. Literally what you do is upload your image that you created with MidJourney here. They publish it on more than 10 different stock photo sites, so you don't have to do all this work. For instance, we have Pond5, they have a lot of stock photos here, but you also have deposit photos. You also have 123RF. Here you can also sell your stock photos, but what Wirestock does is it does it automatically, so it takes all the hassle from out of your hands. So how does Wirestock actually work? So let's take a look. You can go on the top right and go to upload. You can just upload any image you created with MidJourney. After you select the image to upload, you see that it's being uploaded. And right here I have the image that's created. So you can select here sell from portfolio. You can add your own caption if you want, but the nice thing from Wirestock is that it automatically adds keywords and a caption for you, so you don't have to do any work. So it's really saving you a lot of time. You literally just upload here, and then here in sell on marketplaces you click open, and you can either do manual and easy. The only thing that you have to make sure when you upload images that you created with AI is in additional info at AI generated. If you click on the marketplaces, I already see here that there's 9 selected. So I only have to upload it on this place and I can post it. I don't even have to add a caption or anything or keywords, they all do it. And by posting here, it will go automatically on all these different sites. So it really takes a lot of your work. To upload images in Wirestock, you really need images with the highest quality. So you can go to this website, upscale.media. You just upload the image that you created with MidJourney. After that, it's super easy. You can just select upscale to either 2 times or 4 times. So you can go for 4 times if you want. And after that, you just press enhance quality as well to really make good quality images. And you can just download it and it's ready to be uploaded to Wirestock. So after I upload my image here on Wirestock, I can go either to gallery or I can create collections and add them all together. So if I have specific images together, then I can add them all in one collection. But as you can see, people can also go here and they can also buy the print if they want. How Wirestock works, because they spend a lot of money doing all these things, uploading it everywhere. They take 15% of the money of the amount you sell and 85% goes to you. So in my opinion, that's definitely worth it instead of going to all the different marketplaces and uploading them by hand. And what is also nice is here the dashboard, and you can see all the details that you have. So this is the different sites that it's been uploaded to, and you can see all the earnings that you're gonna have. The most important thing is that you create content that people want to buy. So what is the stock photo types that people are willing to buy? And if I go here, I have this website that has 20 best-selling stock photos you should know in 2023. And the first one's modern aging, so older people that are going with the technology. You have a lot of nature images, wanderlust. You have a lot of mindfulness pictures and healthy food. And you have a lot with families and all that kind of stuff. So there are quite some videos on YouTube of different content creators that share what is the best sellers of stock photos that they have. And you can really get some inspiration from that. So here it's with a lot of pills. And you can just check different content creators and see what they actually sell the most. Here he has a picture of this woman. And you see that it is also with a lot of people, but you can really figure out like this what people want to buy from stock photos and what you should go for. So now you know where you should sell your stock photos, what kind of stock photos you want. So what do you need to do in MidJourney to create these amazing stock photos? The first thing is go here to the settings in MidJourney. So do /settings. and then make sure that you select MidJourney version 5 so you can get really the most realistic images. And I really like the starry night skies, and I see that they sell well. Nature really sells well. So I will go for night sky photography of a lake with snowy mountains and starry sky. And just make sure that it's super specific and that you really get the image that you want. I want really with some stars, with a lake and the snowy mountains. So just describe everything that you want from MidJourney. Make sure to add at the end -- AR 3x2 because for landscape images you want horizontal images. And while that's loading, I'm just gonna create a couple other ones. So for this one, I'm gonna go for the food. So bowl of oats with raspberries on top and colorful countertop. They really like people as well, and that's honestly the power of MidJourney, because people are expensive if you want to make stock photos. And MidJourney does it so realistic that you don't need to pay people to be a model for your images. So I'm gonna go for a happy family of mother and dad and 2 children playing video games on couch, looking into cameras to make sure that they're looking the right direction. And I'm gonna add to the end again -- AR 32. The first one is ready. The left two look very bugged. It doesn't look realistic. But this right two, this one comes closer. And I think I'm gonna rephrase it because it's not perfect. And I'm gonna call it Astro Photography. I put a link in the description to a video I created before to create really realistic images with MidJourney and different kind of photography styles you can use and kind of lenses. Here we have the bowl of oats with raspberries. And this is just looking so realistic. And you can just imagine that, for instance, this one I really like. You can just imagine that it's somewhere on an article or somewhere on a website, and this one would really sell. I think I'm gonna upload this to my own profile. It's a really good one. And here we have happy family of mother and dad, 2 children playing video games on couch, looking into camera. So this is kind of scary because you know that the prompt that I used is really for stock photos. And on this one, it even has a bit the lines from stock photos that it copied. So that's quite scary, MidJourney. But you see that other ones are already better. So it is getting close, right? Because this is really stock photos that you would imagine. People is really what's gonna sell as stock photos. So just make sure to create a lot of images like that. So this one is ready now and it's already better. So I took out the astrophotography, and this one on the bottom right, for instance, looks very good. And that's really realistic one. So just play around a bit, and get what you really like to see. So this is good. The people are good. This bowl, it's amazing, this bowl. And here we have the people eating bagel in the office. And normally you would pay a lot for this. So some strange things are happening. This one has the bagel going in her eye. This one's going in the nose. So it's not perfect, but it's getting close, right? And just play around a bit with MidJourney. Maybe go only for one person, and then it's already better on the images. Here we have people walking through busy street in Tokyo. And wow. This could be a real image, right? All these people look super real. This is just one that you can sell and that's gonna work great. Wirestock sponsored this video and they're gonna have a crazy promo in the next couple of days. I will put a link and a promo code in the description which will give you 20% off of all the paid plans that they have. You will get faster keywording and reviews, priority support, a lot of good things. The links is in the description. Stock photos are really the new way to create money with AI art, in my opinion. MidJourney gives you options that you didn't have before, and using Wirestock is gonna save you so much time. You only have to upload it in one place, click one time, don't add anything, and it's gonna be on more than 10 different stock photo sites. So let me know what stock photo image you are gonna create first, and I'm so curious what you think of this tool. Please leave a comment in the description. Otherwise, see you in the next video.